let's see how to generate AI videos for free in Canva. And for your information, why people do it, it's because for cost efficiency. Canva's free plan provides a wide range of features, making it an affordable option for the beginners and some small businesses. Also, it is user-friendly interface. No any complex software knowledge is required. It's just a drag and drop functionality makes video creation simple. Also, it is time saving. So, for you to able to generate a video using Canva, you just have to follow these steps. First, you need to access this website, which is the canva.com/magic-design. Just scroll down to this page and then simply fast forward your video editing, and then you will see a highlighted underlined phrase which is the magic design for video. Just simply click it. After landing to this page, you just have to click on the design. And then once you click this on the leftmost of your screen, you just have to click this generate the videos instantly. And then once you click it, just click some icon or even some videos right here. So for example, you just have to describe the video you wanted and it will generate a design. So for example, an infomercial promotion. Then just click generate or simply click the enter button on your keyboard. You already generated this. And that's how you generate AI videos for free in Canva. See you soon!